channel. So I'm back from the holiday and I came down. So I just got back from the holiday and I came down with a little bit of fever. So I had a cold sore on my lip, which I've never had before, and it's very uncomfortable. Anyway, there was this, I got the studio lights. I know this is a very unusual set and I'm trying to set up my new lights. So I got the studio lights from Amazon and I haven't actually seen what it looks like. It's just off the picture. I'll put the picture up on the screen. And then I'm trying to set it up. Today is Sunday and I'm trying to set it up if I start work tomorrow because I might not have time during the week. So I thought it would be a good idea to do the unboxing with you guys and show you how I set it up. Of course, if you'd like to see how I set all these lights, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I have my friend here to help me. This is my Oku, the Minister of Fitness in Abuja, body rocks, icebox, everything. So my is here to help me do the unboxing. So I know.
It says heavy box, so I guess that's why she pulled me in. So.
Meanwhile, we have a friend here. Say hello. Hello. She doesn't have a name, they call her
Patty.
Patty. Okay, so I hope nothing broke. So, we are ready for the 3 lights. I feel like this bulb is generated.
No, the LED bulbs.
Okay, so 1, 2, how many bulbs? 1, 2, 3. 15, okay. So it comes with 15 bulbs. And I don't know, what is this?
Oh, so it must be 5, 3, that's why it's 15 bulbs. 5 bulbs.
Okay. So 5 on each side. Good. Right, okay. So guys, this is what it looks like. Look at this stuff. Yeah.
So open the other box?
Yeah. Okay, I think this is like the sandbag to hold the lights on the top, but I'm yet to know what it's doing. Does it not have a manual?
Yeah,
just for the light.
It's like a fluorescent tube kind of thing.
Okay, good. This is some pro stuff going on here. Okay, this is like the tripod for the lights. I'm that one person that doesn't like to read a manual when I want to install something.
But now I don't have it.
What is now I don't have it? I'm looking for it.
Nigerian. That's what you did to me. No. Actually, there's nothing more with guiding than Nigerian.
What enjoys?
Oh, still camera. Everybody's so pretty. I'm sure they're like loosely where it slides into.
That's what I was looking for. I can't see anything like that. Okay guys, so this is what the final setup looks like. Well, this is makeshift. We haven't like gotten the perfect fit yet, but I think this will do for now. So now I have my ring lights, the 2 side lights, and the overhead lights, so that it doesn't cast a shadow on my makeup when I do it. And then I also have this mirror. I've had this mirror for years actually, and I bought it from Boots. It's a number 7 mirror, and it used to have a wire, but I cut it off because I didn't need it anymore. And yeah, so this is what it actually looks like. Thanks to the Minister of Fitness, Mayokum, for assisting me. He had to run out because he had to go for the Abuja 500 event. So this is my setup for now. This is like a little behind the scenes tour of what my videos are going to start looking like. So definitely expect brighter videos and well lit videos. And yeah, what I'm most excited about though is this little thing right here. It looks small, but it's mighty. It saves me a lot of energy switching all these lights on. So instead of me going one by one, it's a remote switch actually. So I just do this and all the lights come on. Yeah, so this is what it is. So, and then when I press it, they all go off. So yeah, I'm really excited about this one. If you'd like to know where I got any of these things, please don't forget to comment down below, ask on any questions, and I'll be glad to answer. And yeah, when I do an updated version of my studio, I'll definitely film that as well. Another thing I'm excited about is this hot shoe. I got the wrong one before, but this time I think I got it right. So my camera will stay here now instead of using a tripod. I might still use the tripod from time to time, but for now this horseshoe is here. So yes, this is what my studio looks like now. Till further notice, yeah, this is my chair, my mirror. I'm going to set up my makeup here for any look I'm doing. And yeah, so if you have any questions, don't forget to ask. Please comment, like, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, be good to yourself, love yourself, and love others. Bye.